Hi guys, this is softmemeware here and welcome to my 5k TikTok methods. So this is the dashboard of this tool, or you can say this is the front view of this tool, and in this video I'll give you a detailed walkthrough of 5k TikTok methods and also some good bonuses, like some awesome bonuses will be given to you from my website totally free with this product. So that is my two purposes to making this video, is to show you the product and also to give you the bonuses. So I would like to show you the bonuses and the additional stuffs quite a bit later. Okay, so I will start with the product first. So this product is all about making $5,000 a month from TikTok, and the method is totally explained in a written way, so you can go through the product. Basically I don't want to show you the product totally, because inside the written pages or inside the blog posts, every secrets have been written, and you can easily do the things, or you can easily read the reads without purchasing the product or buying the product, once I have just started showing you all of the stuffs. Okay, so I don't want to show you all of the stuffs, like all of the written stuffs. Let me show you from the beginning. So from the beginning, the overview section is given, and the next one is account creation and TikTok grow, and inside that the subcategories or the categories are how to choose your niche, how to create an account, how to create an account that targets the US country, and how to get free content from Instagram or repost to TikTok and edit like new content, and how to find hashtags, market strategies, and how to choose an offer in clickbank. Basically you can easily earn a good money from clickbank with this product. If I want to show you, I can show you that how you can earn. I will show you a little bit later that the proof of that they can earn, or they are earning, the vendors are earning from clickbank a very big amount every month. So the next category is how to create landing page and list building. Inside that there are four subcategories: create a landing page, how to add links to your TikTok bio and videos. The next one is how to use email to promote clickbank products, instant swipes, and TikTok ads, and inspiring TikTok use cases. Okay, I think I am right. So next one is upgrade. So there are two upgrade features. So this was the overview of this tool, and also this is named as modules. These 6 upgrades are or these 6 things are named as module in this section. Let me show you just one section from inside. Let me just start with account creation and TikTok grow. So as you can see, I am inside now the account creation and TikTok grow, and inside that the sub options or the sub features. I want to show you I can show you the stuffs inside it, but I don't want to show you because you can easily pause the video and read out all of the stuffs without purchasing the product. Basically that is why I don't intend to show you the inner stuffs or the inner blog posts, like let me just give you the introduction or the intro image, and these are the lessons. Okay, written here, the lesson starts from here. I don't want to scroll more, so let me show you if I can show you the proofs. Okay, so let me just play it. So as you can see, this video starts from beginning. Okay, so there is nothing to just suspect them or just false thing, because as you can see they are giving their accounts, or they are just logging in before you are in front of you. So that is why there is nothing to suspect, and they are just earning this kind of amounts from TikTok. I think or they are telling just like that, according to them, that is happening with them. Okay, if I want to show you more proof from the sales page, as you can see, $136, $82.68, and some like that, $331, and current sales 63 sales from clickbank, and this kind of visitors they are getting like more than 6.5k. so that method is discussed inside this stuff, and you can go through it, but I will clear you the price and everything. So the price, the product, the cost of the product price is the cost of the product is 27 bucks, and inside contents given it has got 95% cause the contents are really good and very detailed, so that is why high rating has been given inside the content given. But the value for money is 87 cause this product is totally an ebook, and also people these days are more prone to watch videos. They can connect more with videos, and videos are really time saving, so that is why a little bit lesser. And also I will say you inside my word that what are the two main reasons, so that is why I have given 87 bucks 87 rating. So market it's 93, overall it has got 9.1 out of 10, which is a good rating, very good rating. And the launch period is from 15:09 AM EST, the New York time, to Friday March 19th of midnight. And additionally you will be covered by 30-day no satisfaction money back guarantee. And so these are the full descriptions about this tool. Sorry, I got cold. So this is the dashboard of this tool, or the front view. So the two things I found as con inside this tool, that this is a written course as I have already told you, and the price is little bit higher according to me. It should make the price within 17 bucks I think for this kind of written posts, but the owner also has given so much his time, and also the course is really detailed. And for the first inventor, it really needs hard work to create such kind of thing, like the researches and also the written time. All of the stuffs is really time taking. And also inside, if I can show you, let me just show you just one lesson. They are also giving you it with the images. Okay, so that is a good thing. I think I just forgot to mention here inside my word section, but inside my word section I usually write what the things comes in my mind. Truly I write down here. Okay, so that is the two thing I think inside this product as a con. Like the price is little bit higher, and also the video things will be more needy inside these days, but they just created like a blog post, but also they have given the image thing, which is a good thing. And these are the sales funnel. You can go through the sales funnel if you want to. I want you to visit this page. You can click the video description link given below, and from there you can go to this page or redirected to this page. You can check out all of the bonuses and all of the additional stuffs, and you can get the product also. So my first bonus is as usual the free bonus. You can ask me anything inside Make Money Online from my Facebook page. So my next bonus is clickbank market secrets. So this is a premium product, like it costs about $3 outside in the market, and you can get it totally free inside my bonus number 1. So the next thing is bonus number 2 is affiliate velocity. So this is also a premium product, like it is charging outside 17 bucks, and this is a new release product, and that will be given to you the real knowledge, the high knowledge, what are the top marketers are following, and I am also following. I am really tend to following, but there are some credit card issues. That is why I still not have followed it, but I will be also following, and you can easily generate this kind of the good thing is the guy who is teaching you inside this course is really very understandable guy or convincible guy. very sober guy. So the next bonus is bonus number 3 is affiliate traffic lab. Affiliate traffic lab is a product creation place. You can create any affiliate product, like the graphics, the logo, the affiliate more ebooks, and also the voiceover videos, something like that, animated videos you can do inside that dashboard. From that dashboard you can do so many affiliate products, so that will be given to you totally free. The next thing is bonus number 4 is internet marketing toolkit. If you are intend to do Make Money Online, you will be needed the sales video, the sales page, the checklist, the product creation sales pages, mind map, cheat sheets, as I have already written here, the swipes, banner. So that will be given to you inside that pack totally free. Inside that cart or the attaché you will be given the all stuffs. So the next bonus is Facebook ad templates. 100 ad templates will be given to you totally free. And inside special bonus you will be given 1.46k doodle character images. So that is totally free also. You will be given, and these days these things are really trendy. So inside upsell bonus, you will be given more valuable bonus like 200 plus more softwares, and also the plugins, the image pack, the music pack, and also some PLR products. So inside that pack will be given like more valued stuff will be given you inside the upsell bonus if you purchase the upsell from my website. So that was the overview, I think. And after purchasing the product, you have to go through this blue button named as access affiliate bonus. From this button you can access the product after purchasing it. Obviously, after purchasing any product, any front end or any upsell product, you can access the bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool, and that was my bonus talk and all of the stuffs. I think I should leave now. I have convinced you, all of the stuffs I have cleared you, I have discussed here. So I am leaving now. I am signing out. So I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.